Welcome to part 32 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course. In this video, we will learn about Appearance panel in Adobe Illustrator. When you select a shape in Illustrator, the Appearance panel automatically shows up on the Properties panel. But friends, this is not the actual Appearance panel. If you want to open the actual Appearance panel, click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. The panel will appear. The Appearance panel is an incredible feature of Adobe Illustrator that helps us edit one object in many different ways. You can also open the Appearance panel from the window menu and then click Appearance. The shortcut key for opening the Appearance panel is Shift F6. The option on the panel changes depending on what you have selected. Top to bottom in the panel correlates to front to back in the artwork. Effects are listed from top to bottom in the order in which they are applied to the artwork. If you are looking at the Appearance panel from Properties, whether you have selected text or path, it displays three main attributes: stroke, fill, and opacity. You can also see an effect button where you can apply effects to the selected object. However, if you are working directly on the Appearance panel, the attributes are different. When you select the text, this is what the panel looks like. You can double-click characters and it will show more options. At the bottom of the panel, you can add a new stroke, fill, or effect to the text. If I select this shape instead, as you can see, it shows up the appearance attributes like fill color, and stroke weight. To turn an individual attribute on or off, click the eyeball icon next to the attribute. To turn all hidden attributes on, choose Show All Hidden Attributes from the Appearance panel menu. If you want to change any attributes, simply click on the option to edit. The Appearance panel shows different attributes for different paths. Let's see another path example. You can see more detail about the stroke if you click on that row. Stroke attributes appear when you click on the underlined stroke link in the Appearance panel. The stroke panel can also be opened as a free floating panel under Window and then choose Stroke. Now we can change this brush stroke, and when I select any brush stroke, it will show its attribute on the panel, including which brush I use to draw. You can edit the appearance, change a brush style, weight or color. Here is an important thing. Notice that the stroke weights are not all the same. If you select all strokes, you will see that you will not be able to edit the strokes on the Appearance panel, and it shows mixed appearance. But if you look at appearance on the Properties panel, you can edit. So if at any moment you cannot edit on the actual Appearance panel, you might want to double check on the Properties panel to see if it works there. Now by using an Appearance panel, we are going to provide one more stroke to this shape. Click on Add a new stroke in the Appearance panel. After that, a new stroke is added to your object. Now you can add a different color to it and increase stroke weight. We can adjust these strokes by dragging on top of each other. Here we can see the result. You can add as many strokes here. Let's take another example. Take an oval shape with some heavy stroke. Now I want to make a copy of it. We generally press Alt plus drag and then hit Ctrl D for duplicating the shape. But now every oval shape has its own different properties, and we don't need that. We need only one shape with many properties without copying it. And here comes the magic. There is an option known as Duplicate Selected Item in the Appearance panel. I am going to click this 2 times. You can repeat this several times as per your requirements. Now we have 3 different strokes. Please make changes in the stroke color to differentiate them. Now you can see that the other strokes are not visible to us. To make them visible, I am going to rotate them by clicking the Apply New Effect button. Although there are so many effects, I suggest you play with them all, but I am going to select Distort and Transform and then Transform. By clicking it, a new window pop up. Hit the preview button and try playing with different values. I am going to make variations in the rotation value of the output you can see. Try playing with other outlines. Similarly, you can apply any effect to any object. Now see if we will change its size. Then I only have to change one shape size in this. Rest will change automatically with the master shape. Now try making variations in the opacity value of strokes. That's all in our part 32 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 33.